Okay, so how many of y'all have grown peanuts? Yes, peanuts. Now, I had never even thought of growing these until my friends Dell and Chuck over on Old Southern Kitchen and Garden grew them last year and had really good success. So this year, I'm going to grow peanuts. So if you've never grown them and you're curious how to do this and what it takes, it's actually not a lot, y'all. Sit back, relax, grab your coffee. Let's plant some peanuts. A few things to know about peanuts right off the bat. They're a legume, so their roots are going to help put nitrogen into the soil, just like any other bean would. In fact, they're actually closely related to beans and peas. They need about 120 to 130 days. Some varieties need 150 days of no frost in order to grow. So you need about 3 to 4 months, maybe a little bit longer, to get these things growing. They need a slightly acidic soil. So what I did before the camera turned off on me is I came in and I put in a fresh layer of compost because they are a heavy feeder, and then I added some rose soil to my bed. Reason I'm using rose soil is it's already slightly acidic to begin with, so that's just going to add more acidity into the bed, which is perfect for the peas. Did I say peas? Which is perfect for the peanuts. You need to plant them about 2 inches deep, and I would advise you to unshell the peanut. Now you can plant them in the shells. It's just going to take a little bit longer and it might affect the germination rate. So I would advise you just take them out of the shell, plant them in a good, well-draining, rich soil. Watering needs, keep the soil moist, not the swamp, not soppy, and sit back and wait. They need a lot of heat, so make sure they're getting 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. Y'all, this is a root crop, so think of it that way. You don't want them sitting in a swamp, just like you wouldn't want your carrots sitting in a swamp. There needs to be a well-draining, rich soil. Having said all that, let's go ahead and get these things planted. Like I said at the beginning, I got this idea from Dell and Chuck, my friends over on Old Southern Kitchen and Garden here on YouTube. This is the company that they use, so this is the company that I'm going to use. I went ahead and got some jumbo peanuts, 1/4 pound. These are some pretty good sized shells here. And like I said, we're just gonna crack them, and then we're gonna plant the peanuts. And that's it, y'all. It's gonna be pretty simple here. Again, 2 inches deep. All right, if you're wondering what I just sprinkled, that is a mixture of bone meal and blood meal. I put that at the bottom of every single plant that I plant, period. No questions asked. I never deviate from that. All right, so we're just gonna unshell a lot of these, get these planted, cover them up, and sit back and wait, y'all. Again, we're gonna go about 2 inches deep, and you're gonna go about 6 to 8 inches apart. All right, y'all, that took about 10 minutes. I probably got 15 to 20 seeds planted, so hopefully we'll have a whole lot of peanuts. Again, I can't stress this enough, you need a well-draining soil because it's a root crop. So the roots are gonna push out and then grow the peanuts off those roots. So the soil cannot be compacted is what I'm getting at. If you've never grown them, give it a shot. It might be a crop that you really enjoy growing. If you're in the South, we have plenty of time from the date of this video. There's plenty of time left in the year to grow yourself grow your own peanuts. You know what I mean? All right, last thing I need to do, of course, is water everything in, which I'll do here shortly. But if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out, if you learned anything at all, do me the 3 favors. Share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already, and join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Everyone take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard, plant some peanuts, plant something you've never grown. If you don't want to plant peanuts, plant a crop that you've never grown. Have some fun with your gardening. I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.